dans le baron tout le temps. Tout est à moi si. Et ça donc sacré.
I am so shocked at the level of your manipulation. Yeah? You are a manipulator. He's a type that will secretly, emotionally abuse you. And say, because you are sacred, I will cheat on you. And it is okay.
I never said that. I never said that. She's a manipulator, colleague. She's trying to stop me. She's trying to play the victim.
Now you said Mera Pale. Suki, you go on then. So you've got this woman that you deem as sacred and she has a Mera Pale, blah 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 blah. No Okenaka Libanda. Okenaka Libanda, Olali Nauna, anyone that you want to, okay, me mango to your sacred space. Come and use your sense.
Okay. Welcome to Solola Bien Real Talk. I'm your host, Christian Bless, and we are back again. I'm telling you, yeah, we are going from strength to strength. I want to again thank all the fans that have been commenting, subscribing, sharing the comment. You know, we're soon, and I'm going to prophesy, we're going to be the #1 YouTube channel in the #1 Congolese YouTube channel. Donc, ceux qui osent chrétiens, le bas, amen. Voilà, mais il y a certains qui m'ont onction, qui viennent dans ma gauche. Donc, today, we're going to speak again about an interesting topic. I think I've already introduced the panelists before. I think you guys know them already. But I'm going to say as a general panelist, how are you?
Good.
And I'm happy that we've got the #1 host of the Congolese community, Randy himself. Randy, what are you saying, big man? #1 host. Thing is one Idris Elba akosa biso. All right then, again, you know, all the ladies out there, tout mes sœurs ba sana biso nyonso soki olengi soup ki penza ya bien. Longina is a call Beyonce. Voila, marvelous hair. Yango wana she's wearing glasses. How does it feel on you?
It's so good.
It's so good, yeah. So soft. It's so silky.
Beyonce
Akosa. Donc métis na biso. Merci. All right, guys. Today we're going to talk about a subject, and again, this is due to what we've seen quite a lot in the Congolese community, you know, where there's a lot of separation taking place due to, you know, cheating and infidelity and so forth. So I'm going to ask you guys a general question, and I want to find out if someone cheats, should you stay or should you go? Then I'm going to ask my follow-up question after that. Let's start with Diamond. Diamant.
I think it depends. I can't say yes or no. I think it depends on the situation.
Okay.
It depends on so many different factors, but I think it depends.
Everything
depends na Lingala. Ça dépend. Donc ça dépendrait na situation ngo, eso dépendre na relation yo na partner na yo bozana ngo, ce qui est allé ko la one night stand. Peut-être your whole marriage away, take that one incident. So I can't say yes, tika ye or no, tika la or whatever. I don't know, but I really think it does depend. Et puis, it does depend de peli sus na yomoko. Est-ce que soki muto a cheat? Are you able to get over it? Soki yomoko personally, you won't be able to get over it. Parce que okoeko limbisa muta cheat. Après obanda all the time. Like you can't do that. So soko or decide to forgive somebody. You have to forgive and forget.
Okay, merci beaucoup. Frère Nabiso Mbala.
Yeah, I agree with the opinion that the sister gave. I think if you can handle it, stay. If you can't handle it, Go.
Okay. No, that's good. That's a good point. Randy.
I think pretty much everyone's going to be on the same page on this. I think it all depends. I mean, everyone's going to be quick to say no, go and this and that. But then at the end of the day, I think, you know, it all depends on the situation. So, like, for example, if you feel like it's down to you, really. There's no book, there's no manual that says if someone cheats, then you leave them completely, or vice versa. If they, you cheat on them or they cheat on you, whatever.
Okay.
I think it just depends on you, really. Like, you know, it's
okay.
You know what I mean?
Maya, Hortense. Cheating, should you stay or go?
Yeah, everyone said it. It's what you can handle. And
Okay.
also prepare what you dish out, be able to receive as well.
Okay. Wait. So what you're saying is that if someone cheats, yeah, then you should have the right to cheat as well.
No, I didn't say that.
You said you should be prepared.
You should be prepared, which means if you are forgiven and someone else makes a mistake along the way in your relationship, you should also have the space in you to forgive. She's smart.
Okay. Obeti yangu na niveau moko ya mayele me. Merci beaucoup. You should have the space to forgive. Okay, pas de problème. Na sepeli. Mon chef.
I mean, as you said, I think everyone is going to be on the same page. I don't really agree with you. But yeah, I think it's really just, you have to look into it.
Why don't you agree?
It's just that, to me, like, the thinking of, if you're able to forgive me, you're supposed, it's like I owe it to you, but it's like, it doesn't work that way.
I didn't mean it that way, if that's how you took it.
Yeah, I don't know, that's how I took it. But yeah, that's, how I understood what you said was basically, if we're, for example, in a relationship, you cheat on me, and I forgive you, you...
No, if you cheat on her, she forgives you.
Then,
and if she cheats,
later on it happens,
Exactly.
No, but she didn't say cheat, she said mistake.
Okay,
It's
it
like what
happens.
we're talking about.
So we're not talking about cheating anymore.
It's
Cheating. Let's keep it to cheating.
Yeah, let's keep it to cheating.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Linda. Amber.
Thanks. I think it depends on what you can handle. I agree with what most people have said here. I think it depends on what cheating is to you. I think it depends on there's so many variations, like the level of deception, the surrounding issues, other issues within your relationship, because people rarely is it actually that somebody cheats and you break up with them because of cheating. It's when people leave, once somebody's committed an affair or cheated on them, there's usually a lot more other things going on, and then maybe cheating is like the tip of the iceberg, and the person's used that as a reason to leave.
Okay.
That's been from my personal experience anyway.
Funkos.
I would say it depends on the level, really, because we're talking about cheating. Cheating can be kissing, cheating can be being in a relationship with someone else for a long time. For example, if I'm with you and I find out that you've been sleeping with someone for the last 3 months, that doesn't work, mate. So that's telling me already you started another relationship with someone else. So that doesn't even give me the option to think, maybe it's this, maybe it's that, because you was doing it. Even that one time, like when you got out that you're cheating, taking off your clothes, you think about it. You think about it. It takes time to take off your clothes. It takes time to jump on that bed. It takes time to start the action. So you think. I'm with you. You think about it. So when you're doing that and you're thinking about it and you say, F him, I'm going to do it, then why should I be forgiving you? No, for me, it doesn't pass.
Okay. I'm just have to go around to get your consensus.
It doesn't work, do you understand?
Okay, Gladys, you said, I agree with you. This is the first time in Sorola Bay history that you have connected to Frank.
I'm just saying, it feels like everyone is, I was about to swear, sorry. Everyone is like, it depends. Like, no, you shouldn't encourage cheating. Cheating is a big thing, and I'm talking about, let's not say what depends. When you guys are using the word cheating, I'm talking about people sleeping outside of their marriages, sleeping outside of their relationships, whether it's kissing, dating, hiding text messages, all of those things. It's unacceptable. So when someone does that, the first thing that I'm so glad none of you women have done it here, because last time another girl said, what have you done to cause the man to cheat? That drives me mad.
You're so glad none of you women are doing that.
No, that no one said it. No one said it.
Yeah, No one has said here, it depends what have you done. A lot of women, especially in our culture, are told to, hey, mama, zala mwasi makasi, kanga mutema. I don't accept none of that behavior. So I get what people mean. It depends on what you can take, it should just be a condition where from the beginning you say, no, cheating is unacceptable. But let me finish. I do understand also when you've built something where you've been with someone, let's say a long time, even if it's a short time, you guys have come together, you've built something, people make mistakes, but it's a very expensive mistake where you have to be really highly intoxicated. Even then, you were stupid enough to make a decision to go and get, oh my gosh.
My question is this.
You just said it's a mistake.
Should you stay or go?
Go. Yeah.
Zero tolerance. Zero tolerance or make it. You've gone.
There's nothing I can do.
Angelique, one second. Angelique, before we answer this question, yeah?
Look.
Okay, go on.
You know, with Gladys, I totally agree. You cheat, I go. My partner knows you cheat, I go.
You cheat, I go.
Because if I'm gonna stay with you, I'm gonna cheat on you back.
Okay.
Like it or not.
Okay. I wanna let the record state here. This is recorded.
Yeah,
it's recorded.
I'm just saying.
Okay, it's recorded.
In the nice way. Last time,
Mr. Impartial.
Okay, no, I'm impartial. Last but not least, Trésor Image. Ce qui moi si a triché. Est-ce que Okoki Otikala ou il faut que Okinde?
Moi si bien mon
Ce qui moutoie.
Let's not, don't take it that way with him because I'll remember the funny ways. Let him talk. So listen, so Bobby Mwasi Bonaye is going to take it a different way.
Let him explain his difference.
Différence c'est
moi je cheat dans mon bali go cheat. Pendant biso africain nga zonga toujours ne lokona parce que nas africain atana koli awa biso mibali soki mwasi a cheat zero tolerance soki mobali a cheat is a tolerable.
Look at the men want to live in the Is that how you feel? You didn't explain?
Sakola.
Il est comme ça, so ne bozo lo bana lo baté. So na bani lo baba bani lo ko ka te kwani. Bolo ngaka makila no ba congolais. Boza na à l'aise. Anyway, na zongi na place moi si soka chi ezanga neti zero tolerance na biso. Siko ngai trésor na lo baraboy. Ezo dépendre na level on mobile alingeli mwasi na yi. Pona nga libala ou bien ceux qui est salami une fois tukoki ko sala to sala ta moi review bien ta investigation ba lo koni ni causer moi si asala parce que et c'est le mot ça sont unusual pour la moi ça sala nazo ba na butoki ke base ça rare pour cheat
sakola
vous en prenez et ça rare moi ça cheat ce qu'il faut yeba et là on est sali que moi si a cheat on you vous en prenez et comme il choix na yo ceux qui moi ça répète pas na biso ba africain ba congolais te ba africain ba baraboy moi si soka trompé une fois à quoi ça m'a 1000 fois ce soit après parce que là qui c'est qu'il y a 110 déjà mobali na motema parce que moi si dignité na yé pour akabola mo susu na mutu mususu et c'est le mot ça trop précieux na biso africain.
Non, biso bimsa life there. Biso la logique. La logique, on a always said this. I've always said this. Dans le banc tout le temps. Tout est à moi si. Et ça donc sacré. Zéla et l'eau déjà ça a déjà vie et l'eau au Sahara et puis et l'eau zéla non, so marabu Franco Salobi, marabu Gali Salobi, marabu image à Ucholoba. Tout à moi c'est ça sacré dans niveau moko. T'as déjà Bopé, ça a déjà vie. Bopé, ça a déjà vie. Et là, au moins, il y a le roi Pessio, 9 mois après, miraculement, il salami. Et puis, bon, on a participé, mon boy, dans le genre, il y a le roi mystère, mon boy. Maman, qui l'a, chaque mois, Babylon, voilà. C'est un expliqué, et ça n'a rien bien. Si quoi, et l'autre trésor à le bateau, quand on a un nègre qui note, qui trésor l'image. Et la sagesse, moi, où tu bima. Parce que moninga, et ça, il y a qu'un half-co, quand on a un half-co système, il n'y a pas. Et bimi on a ça système. Vous comprenez? Mais yo pour ça c'est yo pas. On a bien dans le bas. Parce que quand on a le bas, je parle par rapport comme parallèle au bas. Ça va bien. On a ça les cobos. Non, donc il y a des moments très sensibles. On a ça les cobos. Na ko zana ka gé na ça les cobos. Mais si ko soyo si ko na ki sacré na on ngoza wana. Pona kota.
C'est là.
C'est là pona kota place wana. Dans la ba mama mbifona sala pona kota ka ya.
OK.
Vous comprenez? Si ko yango na biso to lobi ke tellement que boza sacré. Et ça va faciliter pour la moninga. Non, papa un système.
Mais
ça expliquer bien. Mais c'est comme moi si. Combien de codes on peut côté wana. Et là ce trésor le bien important. Alors il peut le passer pourquoi? Parce que c'est que pour na côté wana. Trésor na francos baoyo kana parce que ça qui na tamoro boye. Na bato na so meka ba code. Et ça qui na tamoro boye. Yo follow yo ka que non place Naza et comme il place à ma bénatique. Donc tant que tu as accès c'est que deux sanzanga déjà c'est que problème mon bizarre na quelque part.
But it's the same way.
I think cheating is wrong anyway, but I do understand that people make mistakes. So what Trésor was probably trying to say that as an African man, when we talk about cheating, it's seen like it's worse when it's the woman cheating than a man. Like a man's more forgivable than the woman. Like you're more likely to forgive the man than you are to forgive the woman in African culture. Let's not forget that's where we are. That's where we come from, even though we're raised here and that. But so that's what Trésor was trying to say to his defense.
I just think with cheating, it's something that just shouldn't be done. It's not a mistake. So if you're cheating, you're actively saying you want to leave the relationship. So that's where it's a thing of when people say, oh, it's a mistake, or, kanga mutema, basi bazaboete. I don't agree with none of that. I just think if someone cheats on you, especially if they're sleeping outside of the marriage home, it's goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay. Actually, all of it. Even the way ya mobile ezala mwasi eza secret. Nzoto ya mutu eza secret eza mobile ezala it doesn't matter. Mais all of nzoto nanga tonke mwasi na yo eza secret mais mwasi au moins mwana batu mususu eza secret. No, it shouldn't because that is a sum up for what you're trying to say. No.
Okay. Maya. 1 second. Guys, wait. I'm gonna give you. Maya. All right, Sashini. Guys. I know. I'm gonna come to you. Maya.
You see why I raised my voice?
Finish this. No, I'm gonna come to you. I wanna finish it. Go.
C'est vrai, très vrai. Nénet, il est pas lobby. Tant on se trouve besoin de facile pour nous bailler que ça m'a camonaï.
Mais Mouta si c'est que le bâté.
Préparé dossier papa.
Mais déjà, ce que vous avez ensemble pour commis nous autres moko. Déjà, ce que qui libanda aux ongi awa okoye oye kubebe sanga. That's number one.
Oui.
Spirituellement. C'est ça que oh les autres aleki nous autres amuninga no, eza makamba discipline. Discipline zanga kamutu moko te. Faiblesse. That doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman. Why déjà teacher ka upa ban na bino? Okay, if you're a boy, yeba kozala strong. As a woman, yeba kozala Sala strong as well. Is that the
That's the way we should teach people to think. Another thing, quickly, about Silisa, that word cheating, to comprendre was sex there. Cheating is like in a relationship in Bele. But is like deception. Already, if you're lying to your husband or your partner about where you are, if you're not telling your wife about this, that, also cheat. Cheating is a concept of deception. Sex. Mais bisos parce que moi ma texte ma lying moi trop bon ça c'est pas problème c'est pas problème donc on va cheating maintenant should you stay or should you go au boy on va lui parce que
avant la trésor moi si ils ont différent moi ça qui est trompé basi non c'est pas qu'il était basi they have a tendency là ba nyosote but the majority bana tendency ya ko cheat emotionally là comme dans ko bimana mutu mususu azada emotionally involve na mutu wana donc et comme rappel difficile que la raison ina yo ata soki bobongisi émotion na ye na relation
donc so us men cheat with our bodies them not cheat with their emotions
sexual pleasure majorité sans coup d'émotion. Tout le monde a
okay. You're going to finish.
No one's going to interrupt you. Loba no papa.
Listen, c'est triste de voir des femmes ici. Moi, mon bal a une valeur, besoin de quitter Sabino Nassé. Abesi corna bino, abenya maza sacré. Abesi alobi corna yete, mais alobi corna bino.
C'est aussi triste de voir ces hommes, c'est Bakissa. Ce qui c'est Bakissa.
C'est baisé. C'est baisé.
Au moins il m'a baisé, au moins il m'a baisé, au moins il a dit. S'il vous plaît. Est-ce que Oro doit tomber totalement tour comme ça?
Non, c'est ça linga moi mawa parce que tozo to lift moi si ma valeur mon boye par rapport ya lo rendu kuta baki si sur du colo on a na ngote a décrit nous autres à moi si eza sacré. Est-ce que boyebi mot sacré botanga to moni batunu sur ça botanga mot sacré faut pas qu'il na dictionnaire pour comprendre le koni ezali au mini lo mo sacré même na mboko yoko moni kaka Mr Speaker tanga zo ka marteau wana beta ka cap et ça sacré et ça tellement précieux que hein et ça tellement précieux que ba ko sakana ngote
ta pesi moi si valeur wana
moi si tozo pesa bino valeur yo bana tozo ba kenzo to na bino za sacré to ba kutu ya biso te fa ko sa lo binini toza la roi banyama bino to bingi bino banyama ti
biso moko
banzambe
Ba isto chi on.
Non c'est là to pesi bino valeur valeur te pesi bino bo zwango bo lobi bo linyango te sikota mo bala ko respecter yo ti yo ko lobake mo bali wana za nyama parce que yo mo zo mi pesa valeur te excuse ngai mama you have to listen to me bino nyonso boza parce que ça tozo bala bino ke moi si o ya libala achitaka te c'est là moi si soka cheat moi si soka cheat ezala be faire ma bekoleka ya mobali so boyeba ngote na ebisi bino akosiko ozo point ezala be faire ma bekoleka omoni mibali ko tala na ebisa bino lo mobwe moi si soka cheat libali kufa straight no atakut ana mindele za apeka bongo
non continue
mais mibali tango ba cheat nazo encourager cheating te na on accepte bino degré ya ba niveau ba cheating o za mibali moi mobali ko non surtout le na bina biso côté na biso ba konto le baka ba mère à palais donc mère à palais ba sakana kanete to benga ba mère à palais moni mère à palais moi so yo honoré moi si o yo honoré ta mère à palais moni mibali
10 seconds, yeah.
Ok, 10 seconds, nakiti na kutu. Depuis tant kala, depuis tant kala, mobali, alingaka toujours moi si belé. Et c'est le quoi si kati. Mais depuis tant kala, moi si achita kati. Ozo point. Yango, moi si o azo cheat. Na mobali azo cheat. Azo benga moi si ana azo sa l'abomination. Ozo point. Ozo point. Oh ya mobali kutu ko. E ko sa kutu. Passable.
Okay, after finish.
Na conclure. Okay. Na sula na utilisé parce que na telemi de to temi demi bali awa, to temi demi bali biso no soir to za ba sile mi bali awa moi c'est la telemi mobali la telemi ba lobi ke moi si o achitaki na mobali ko achitaki na ba même ba ngoleka yo tete na tuni kaka na tuni ba bino ba si baba na ba si bo lobaki how can she do that ba lo te mobali asaki
okay we understand all right cool guys what I'm going to do
I think the humans in general, we are supposed to be the temple, you know, so we are all sacred, but obviously women are considered more sacred for holding children. So I don't agree with that, because men say it when they want to say it. Women are sacred when it suits them, so their wives at home are sacred, but the woman they're sleeping with outside is not sacred. It don't make sense. They're all women at the end of the day, so they need to pick an energy and stick with it. So no, I don't agree with Randy's statement, because all of the guys were saying it for the wrong reasons.
Yeah, it's spiritual. This is what I was saying to you, like, about the woman's body being sacré. Is that sacré? Parce que when ton connecté na mutu, it becomes already you're exchanging something there. Is that different? So I think obviously when you go out and usalima mama be and you bring it back home, is that toxic, innit?
Go on.
I don't really have a long monologue like my brother here, Tezo, had to say. I just found it really interesting how initially, like, your comment was really interesting. It's like, yeah, it depends on the situation, blah, 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 blah. But then actually a woman's body is sacred, and, you know, so you went on to... I'm sorry. You went on to then justifying men cheating on
that's all I was saying.
justifying
Don't cut.
I didn't actually
comprehend it that way.
No, interrupt you while you were speaking.
You did.
I didn't actually.
She actually did.
Now, you went on to, then you guys went and described a woman's body and it's sacred, and you know, really gave it like proper value and all this stuff, as if we don't value and have our own self-worth. We need to get it from you guys, but thanks anyway. So that was really interesting. So, and then you went on to describe women cheating as an abomination because of the way, you know, society has set it up. Now, you've said Mera Pale. Suki, you go on then, so you've got this woman that you deem as sacred, and as a Mera Pale, blah, 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 me okenaka libanda, olali na yolam, anyone that you want to, or to your sacred space. Come and use your sense.
Okay, we understand. Thank you for that, Diamond.
Come and use your sense.
This is the thing.
Diamond.
I don't think that cheating should be tolerable for men and not women. I feel like Trezor said, no, actually, I think Randy said, a woman's body is sacred. But it's one of them things where, like, if a woman understands that her body's sacred, a man needs to understand that a woman's sacred as well. So you can't be going and intruding in sacred places.
I never said cheating is terrible for women. If for men, then women. Nalobaki boy. A lot of women, they think this is new. It's something that's been happening from centuries. Yeah, back in the days, même na temps ba Abraham, na temps ba Moïse, men used to do that. Is that something new there? Now I didn't say is that tolerable, but it's been happening from a long time. Pona ngakutu is just coming down. Ekiti mo mke kutu papone za liboso. It's just like the new generation, they just can't cope with it.
This is the thing, you know. Initially, I was like on the right path as Randy, you know. Basi baza sacred, yeah. is that something that my mom's been telling me since we were very young.
bless
Voici
her.
as a sacred, blah blah blah. Na yebiango oui. Mais plus ça fait la mibali bazo baby ça. Hein? Is that parce que ceux qui bo yebi penza que toza sacred nengwana. Why would you then okay no la bisika bisak oh yana milimo moko boya mabe ya salite na mutu wana kayozo lo bakazali sacred. Do you know what I mean? Like why would you do that if we're so sacred, if you hold us at such high standards, like why would you then do that? Then that means bozo pick, bozo choose when tozali sacred. Bozo pick, bozo choose when tozana valeur.
Okay, c'est bon, je comprends.
The idea of cheating being acceptable for men and women being a different case. I think if you look at how to change that, it just comes down to how you teach the next generation and how to think of it. I choose to, you know, let my son and daughter both know that cheating is unacceptable. It's a concept of deception, and deception doesn't feel less painful for a man because they have balls, and it's more tolerable for a woman. But in saying that, I think what he was trying to get at is because women have been taught to kind of take it more and to be hush about it, it makes them feel as though it's less painful for them. But if you look at how society has now kind of flipped over, you can see the consequences of the silent women and how they revolt against it, and now women are all of a sudden cheaters now. I feel like it's just the consequence of how we misunderstand each other in gender roles, and how we then see the consequences of it, when we grow up, to be honest.
I am so shocked at the level of your manipulation. Yeah? You are a manipulator. He's a type that will secretly, emotionally abuse you. And say, because you are sacred, I will cheat on you, and it is okay.
I never said that. I never say that.
You are justifying cheating.
No, I never said that.
Let me finish.
I never said that.
All of you came for me when I interrupted him. Let me finish.
You never say that.
You are an emotional abuser.
Hey, I don't call Samakamu. She's a manipulator, collector. She's trying to stop me. When you as a manipulatrice, I will not be Mr. Yonde. She's trying to play the victim. She's trying to play the victim.
No. Okay, guys, finish.
Trésor said it is more tolerable. He used the word tolerable for a man to cheat. It's intolerable. Did you say that? For a woman to cheat because a woman is sacred. Trésor, is everything okay out there?
Everything is good.
It's not good because
she thinks I'm crazy because all of our reality is so African.
It's not true. The realities of Africans need to change. Cheating is wrong, period. Sleeping outside.
But I never said cheating was right.
It should not be.
1 second.
I didn't say that.
It shouldn't be tolerated. That's
Okay, Maya, is there anything you have to add onto this particular thing?
Yeah, this is why our community is all woman. This is why this conversation, cheating, it will continue because there's a one-sided perspective that men seem to want to have when it comes to this woman's value.
Thank you.
That same woman was all about Azali Banda. Akomenyama.
Ah,
She azapela valeur because that's sacred. Must stand up as sacred. And another thing, guys, what think I could pesa piso valeur na biso? Parce que bien on comprendre valeur na biso te. Let us decide what our value is, and you take our lead on how we are as women. Your point sanga neti na zama cité parce que valeur wana zo pesa nga is rubbish parce que libano sala mabe.
So when you say,
your concept of value is incorrect. Your concept of value is not real, it's fake. Because if you truly value a woman for what she truly is, then all of that you're saying here will go across the board, from the girl that's outside to the woman that's inside. You can choose where a concept of value is placed. That's what I'm saying. Women, be careful when a man is telling you what your value is, because most of the time they don't know what they're talking about.
Okay. All right.
I think when the guys were talking about the whole sacred situation, what annoyed me was, I think men use the concept of putting women on a pedestal when it suits them, so that they feel isolated from being able to express themselves how they should do. So the idea of the sacredness, if you was to run it across the board, then yeah, fine, yeah, we are sacred. Of course, I give birth and so forth, but you can't call me sacred and then still want to cheat on me at the same time. It doesn't really make sense.
I'm gonna be quick about this, yeah.
I think the sacred thing, I like it.
on s'appelle...
Non, listen. Ce qui moi c'est avec as a sacred.
Non,
Moi c'est avec as a sacred. Mi bali pay for ebake. Basi baza sacred.
Thank you.
Do you understand? If you know that this something is sacred,
Thank you.
Okay.
What I mean?
That's
All
what I
right.
said.
And
Okay.
I'm gonna finish it off with yourself.
Same point, man. Literally, I really agree with what you said. If you say you know the body of a woman is sacred, you know the body of your wife is also going to be sacred. So you can't be bringing all those spirits and all tous les maladies là, tout ça que aujourd'hui dans moi je sacred. That doesn't make sense.
Okay.
And guys, move on though, Chris.
Yeah.
I
want to finish off with him.
Toi aussi, ça m'a embrouillé. Moi, c'est une relation. C'est habité. Au moment où on a posé, il y a un libanda. Parce que mon bal a cheat, moi ça cheat. Et tu as le roman la carte à bac. Et tu as le roman. Beaucoup continuer relation, mais relation est sur des CMT. Beaucoup mi ko ben da singe katani. Beaucoup mi ko tonga. Beaucoup mi ko ben da ko. Donc ce que bon c'est pelaté. Au moment que dans la zone on a problème dans cette maison mobile oté. Que nda bo panza mako. Mobile personne au moment peut c'est pelaté. Que nda bo banda ko bimisani na yo. Donc
Alright, guys, I'm gonna finish off with you and then that's it.
Okay.
My last one.
Yango nangana loba au moins na sepeli na tonalité net aussi sina franco parce que toujours na eloko maman amba lobaki et ça ceux qui totally bien the beginning ya qui kambachite. You know there's guys out there okay no Auzala n'a jamais satisfait Nabil Rwanda. That's a fact. They're just like there's different type of people in this world. Gladys Lingate is a fact. There will be guys and girls out there that will never be satisfied. Parce que dans la situation, moi, si je suis non, moi et toi, on a l'air à jour, on a le maillot, on a it's a fact. It's a fact. It's a fact. So just like same way people put on guys mususu. Donc yé pour faire dans le monde na moi si moi na c'est difficile ya pour rater. Mais ça pas aya la charité. Donc on lâchera jour à mon ami. Donc ben pour dire que il faut comprendre que cheating est toujours dans zone ina maman ambaloba qui est toujours na sur talibien et ça result ya ba bleur moi mike tango eko mebele au moni siko ba mutako bima libanda mutako bima tango vanda siko botulo oh why did you do this was I not worth it na hit at the moment voilà des fois bon soit on comprend mais sur on voit nous se calmer oye ba que non ezaki parce que côté on a area on a zaki habité olingo lingate that is the fact is accumulation yaba small things ça on s'engager on together yango tindara moi si to mobali yake de sala ngo bino soki bo chitarate nzamba pambula bino boza basimo malamu na sepe ba mibali na bino bazane sengo but we're talking out there. You know, we're not condoning it, but we're saying that it's a reality, it's something that's out there. And usually it's either from people that can't keep their things inside their legs closed, or it's an accumulation usually because of unhappiness, or usually because it's two people that are together, like you said in your previous thing. It's usually because two people that are together that shouldn't be together. So therefore they should just move on.
All right, no. I have to finish. Please. No, there's gonna be interviews.
Opinion sur Trésor, s'il te plaît. Ezali important là parce que I think there's two sisters here that misunderstanding me here. No, misunderstanding me. What I'm trying to say. You understand? Yeah. Le problème est que tozoloba ke ngai na tolérer cheating. Tozoloba ba level oyo biso tokola pezalaka nenge zalaka nenge batma monela rango. Toza awa, c'est vrai que tokoli awa na Europe, tokomi ko marcher un peu différemment. Mais il y a des choses qui s'est passé avant biso. Oh, to beta masolo nango eza batebe puis baza ba victime nango. Eza ba guys out there, to yebisa bino the way guys think. So to lobi que the way guys think is not the way we actually run the life bongo. Ozon pas eza différemment na ndenge bino bozo kanza que non peut-être yo posa la kango. Ce n'est pas que biso nyoso to sala kango. To loba na bino que non. Tala moi mobali ndenga raisonnaka. Yo tant que moi si mayele. Okofanda nani
Finish.
yo en tant que moi so za mayelo baki oh trésor lobi na ngaki non mibali bazaka bo et ça choix na yo koto ozali so monique et non d'abord basi bolinga te tant au côté déjà dans relationship pour côté na kati ya libala oyibi déjà mobali na yo aza e cheater ou bien aza e cheater te I hate those excuses akolobake my man is a cheater tant bokoti na ye okoyeba mobali no so aza tente tant avant bala yo ozo point okoyeba yango ozo point okoyeba soki oyeba ki yango te oza mutu moko ozwaka ba décision na ba sentiment
all right guys so guys thank you very much for watching us today. This topic is very sensitive, and I think what I want us to do is you guys tell us your point of views. Tell us what do you think. If you cheat, should you stay or should you go? And is cheating tolerable for men and intolerable for women? You let us know that as well. And we're going to be back with some more topics. But listen, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And finally, you can see some of our panelists, like Lashik. She has the Solola Bien hoodie on. If you want it, please make sure to go to the link below to buy yours. We've got as well, Francos has the amazing voila. Merci. Don't care. So guys, remember to comment, like, and share. Let us know what you think. Let us know your thoughts. It's all about Solola Bien. Our opinions don't represent what we do. It's just our opinions of what we have seen in life and our experiences. Thank you very much. God bless you and see you later. Bye-bye.